Inner fire. The energy move that AI will never be able to stop. Everyone's praising AI for speed and strategy and output and all that stuff. But that's not what really moves people. Inner fire is what makes you unforgettable. It's the authenticity to show up with grounded power, to speak like you mean it, and to walk into a room and command a room. I've coached professionals for over 20 years, and I performed in over 100 television commercials. And the difference between those who fade and those who lead, it's energy. It's not hype. It's connection energy, not noise. It's not burnout. It's fire. This isn't about doing more. It's about moving differently. And it starts with one tool, rootedness, rooted pause. Before your next presentation or your whatever you're doing, walking into an office, stop. Get silent for a moment. Take 3 seconds. Be still. Breathe effectively. Breathe through your nose, out your mouth, slowly. Before that pitch or that interview, roll back your shoulders. Breathe intentionally and focus. Then speak. Here's a physical tip. Before you say your first word, touch your thumb to your chest and inhale slowly. And then exhale like a whisper. And then let your hands drop open. Now you're ready. So keep moving, connecting your energy. I'm Kerry Ruff.